Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnavi Deshmukh. Today's topic is a collection of features in Java 8 and today's date is 28 September 2022. Now I firstly discuss in a collection of features in Java 8. The collection of features in Java 8 in the Oracles is related new versions of the Java as a Java 8 in March 18, 2020, and it was the related of a Java and development platforms and including the various upgrades and Java programming in JVM tool in libraries. Then it is discussed in the Java 8 programming language in features. First is the lambda expression, then method reference, functional interface, stream API, default methods, base 64 encoded and decoded, static method in interface, and then optical classes and collection of classes and for each methods and parallel array of parallel array type of the repeating and IO enhancement and JDBC enhancement etc. Then firstly discuss in a lambda expression. The lambda expression is help as over the code of a functions and styles, and it is the provided of a classes and a contributors of a implement of a interface and abstract method by using expressions, and then it is the very useful and collections and libraries of which is filters and extra data. Then it is the discuss in the method of a reference. The method of a reference in Java 8 in the uses of a reference of a method and functions and the interface, and it is the concept of the easy and expression and each and even in a lambda expression and just the reference and referring in the methods or method you can be replace the expression and with a method reference. Then discuss in the functional interface. The function interface is a constance of only abstract method, and it is the function of an interface, and it can have any numbers and static method. It can have in declare the method of an object, and functional interface is known as the single abstract methods and SAMA interface. And then discuss in the optional. The optional in Java 8, it is the Java introductions in new classes of optional in Java 8, and it is the public is final classes and which is used in details of null points and Java applications, and we can be importance of the Java util package to be used in the classes, and it is the provided to the method or to the particular variable. Then discuss in the for each. The for each is provided in the new method of a for each and iterated of elements, and it is defined into the iterated of a string of a interface, and it is defined into the method and define the iterated of a interface and collection classes and extend in the iterated of interface and for each method and iterated of the element. This method is take a single parameters and which is the functions interface, and so you can be lambda expressions in the arguments. Then discuss in the data type API. The data type API is the introduced in the new data types and API scenes in the Java 8. The Java types is the package of a content in the Java 8 in data for more of information and expressions. Then it is the discuss in the default method. The default method in a Java, the Java is provided into the facility to the creator of a default method, and inside the interface and the method of define and the target of the default keywords, and default keywords is known as the default methods, and the methods is the non-abstract of have a method body. Then discuss in the nation of JavaScript in engine. The nation of a JavaScript engine, it is used in the executors of a JavaScript, and dynamically of a JVM is provided in the command line of a tools at JJS and used in the execute in the JavaScript. You can be executed in the JavaScript in the code. First is the using in the common line of tools, and second is the by embeddings into the source of a code. Then discussing the string of joins. The string of joins is the add a new final classes of string joins and in the Java util package, and it is used in the consist of a sequence of deletes, and now you can be created in the passing in the details in the common. Then it is in the collection. The collection is a final classes in the extend the object class, and it is the provided reduction operations and such as the a collection summarizing elements and according to the various criteria etc. This is the some discussions of collection in features in Java 8.